When you're going to give a presentation, you might be confident or you might be nervous. But sometimes you just feel like I can't do this presentation, but I have to do this. This is my job. I have to face this fear. I have to perform well. I have to give a good presentation to the people who are sitting in the conference or in the class or in the college, whatever place it is. You are not doing it in a good way just because you're not following the proper procedure for it. Yes, I'm going to tell you what are those procedures in today's video. So hello there, sir people, it's me Jaya. You're watching me on the EXPOUND. Let's get into the video. So here are the steps where you can impress people and do your presentation well without making much effort. First point is you just have to have only 5 slides. Yes, either you are making it in PowerPoint or MS Word or WPS Office or Google Slides, whatever it is. You just have to make 5 slides so that people don't feel you boring. So when you are giving your presentation short and crisp rather than long and boring, that will impact the audience in a better way. So if you're thinking that you can impress people just by adding too many slides, like 20 plus slides, and then giving more information in the slides, then you are giving a mental torture to the people. All they want is that whether you are presenting it well, whether you are delivering the content in a better way. It is said that 90% of your presentation depends upon the communication skills and the way you present it, and the remaining 10% depends upon your content or the theme, whatever you're going to present. So all I want to say from this point is that content is not the king. Audience and your communication skills is the king. Just take an example that I know much information, but I'm not able to convey that to the people. I'm not able to communicate to the people so that they can understand it and then like it. If I am being that person, then obviously my content is worthless unless I don't deliver it well. So all you have to do is that you have to make your audience listen to you throughout the presentation. So that brings us to the third point, which is that best opening. So normally you are just starting with your first presentation, just like my name is Jaya and I'm going to give you this presentation. That is normal, and you need to be different so that people can listen to you. So all you can do is that you can start with the quote by famous person, or you can start talking just from the examples from your own life or many experience which you have had. So many things you can start. I have also made another video where I have told you how to start your presentation so that people will keep on listening to you till the end. You can check that video also, and that's going to be really helpful to you. Add more pictures into your presentation, and also even though you don't understand what you have written in the PowerPoint, you can look at the picture and then start talking or start explaining about it. And also people will prefer pictorial representation rather than the data which you have written in points. And the next point is never prepare your slides just by writing a paragraphs, because that is not at all good and that won't impress the audience. You should make in points, and also never start reading the points which is written in the presentation. If you're literally reading the same thing from your presentation, then why are you even here? You're here to explain that point instead of reading those points. So never start reading the points as it is, because that will be so damn boring. People can literally start reading from your points and they can even understand by themselves. They won't be needing you for that. So never do that mistake. And the next point, the most important point, is that you need to be confident. Even though you're not confident, you should show off that you are confident. So public speaking and giving a presentation in public is all about your inner confidence and your personal strength. So if you are not confident, don't let people know that you are less confident, at least do that. So when you are just being so frightened and you are so nervous and you are just stuttering and you are just shivering in the place, or when you giving the presentation, then people will lose hope in the first time they see you, and they might even assume within their mind that, yeah, this guy is not worth it, because I can see how he is standing or how he is nervous in the first place. And if you're not so confident enough, then don't worry, I have told a several steps in that video where you can boost your confidence when you're giving a public speech or a presentation. You can have a look at that video also. And the point which will attract people is that when you're sharing your stories, when you're making them emotionally connect with you. So if you're just randomly coming and talking about the content and then leaving, then people not be able to connect with you, and you will be just like another normal person who is coming and giving the presentation. You need to be unique. So for that, the best way is to connect the people emotionally with you. So just share your content or ideas in an emotional way that people will attract or people will catch that. Thank you so much, guys. This is all I want to tell you in this video. If you like my work, if you like my video, if this is helpful, please do like this video, and please do share this video with someone who would really like to know about these all things, about presentation, about public speaking, communication skills, whatever it is. So if you're giving enough support, then I will have a little bit of motivation in making more videos for you with lots of love and respect. Thank you so much. Comment down what you feel about this video in the comment section, and whatever you feel, whatever problems you have faced in communication or public speaking, please do mention it in the comment section so that I can know it. Thank you so much. Keep supporting. Until the next video.